Hey babes, welcome back to another video. As you all can tell, this is another hair review. Today's hair is on Israela's hair on Amazon Prime. It is a 13x4, supposedly 20-inch wig, I believe. I'm not sure about the length, but I will definitely leave everything down below in the description box so you all can shop if you are interested. As you all can tell, I did go in with my ball cap already done. I didn't show that part because I didn't do it neat. I don't know what was going through my head that day, but I just tried to get the wig on and keep it pushing. But I did use 3 layers of boho lace active glue. Then I pressed my frontal on the glue, then I blow dried it. But I did not show me tying it down with the elastic band. But after I blow dried it, I did tie it down with the elastic band, and I also did cut the lace off camera, y'all. Okay, now you all see me trying to part out my baby hairs or take out my baby hairs. And I did try to go in with the not go in, but I did try to attempt the fluffy baby hair look. This was my first attempt on doing it, y'all, and I did not really care for it. I don't know, it was just too much going on, but I do plan on trying it again because I do love the look, especially because my natural baby hairs are really full and fluffy like that. So y'all just see me parting out my baby hair, then I'm gonna tie it down again with the elastic band. I'm gonna press out my hair as much as I could with my Erica J wax stick. I love that wax stick. If y'all are beginners or trying to slay yourselves, that's like a must have. That gets your wig so flat, y'all. When doing my baby hairs, I do use a small flat iron to curl my baby hairs. I feel like that method really, really helps you lay your baby hairs right where it needs to be. Like, it's very, very highly recommended. And the flat iron that I am using, I did purchase off Amazon. I will also leave that link down below in the description box. And I know some people may ask, what do I use for my baby hairs? But I literally have no preference. I just use what I see. But if I was to choose something, I probably would go in with Gorilla Snot, preferably other than the gel, because I don't know, I feel like it just sticks better. You know, the gel be all like wet and stuff, and the Gorilla Snot is like sticky, so it kind of sticks and molds better for me. Now I'm cleaning up my part with the Ruby Kisses foundation palette that pretty much has every color in there, so it's kind of easy to match yourself with it. Then I'm gonna go and clean up my part with this dye stick. I forget the name of it, but I will also link that below in the description box. But if you all do not have the dye stick thing, just use mascara. That works very, very well. Or a Sharpie. I see some ladies use Sharpies. I have used it before, but I would prefer mascara. Alright, babes, that will be the end of today's video. If you all enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I feel like the wig did do good to be an Amazon wig. It was not like a HD or a transparent lace at all whatsoever. So I did what I had to do with it. But if you all are interested in a wig, I will link it down below in the description box. And don't forget to also shop my brand, shop everything her. on Instagram and follow my socials down below also. And I will see you all in the next video.